Good morning you guys, welcome to Vlogtober, day 9. I am up, ready to go to my PT session. This is my outfit, it's not very exciting. I'm just wearing this kind of oversized tee, these Adidas and Stella McCartney leggings, I think actually, that they sent me. Nikes, which I can't remember the name of, but anyway, everything will be down below as always. It's leg day, which I'm just not really looking forward to it, you guys. It's gonna be tough, but it's gotta be done. So I'm gonna get that done, get it out the way, and then I'll get you guys updated later. See you in a bit. Hi guys, so as you can see I'm all ready to go. My session was so hard today, I could tell that my body just felt tired. I was really struggling, but got through it, did everything, so that's good. My legs are gonna hurt tomorrow. Thought I'd just show you my outfit quickly. It features 2 of the same items from yesterday, but it's fairly different underneath. So I've got on a white tee, this cami, which is super old nasty gal, these biker trousers that I got from Reformation's vintage selection in New York. I think it had a name, but I don't know if it's just Reformation vintage now. My Prada boots again, and my Bite Studios blazer again. And just for today, I've popped my eye pendant on my belcher chain whilst I wait for my other chain to come, and I think it looks pretty sick. So that's me today, you guys. This outfit looks like good in some angles and in other ones completely lumpy, but we're just gonna go with it. Right, it's time to go. I'm gonna pop to a bookshop before I go see my dad because I want to get him a travel book because he likes travel books, and I thought I could get him in like a nice photography one. I'm gonna do that first and then we'll go and see him for lunch. We're going to the Pollen Street Social and I hope that it'll be real nice. Walk into the bookshop, and this is going to be a big challenge for you guys because obviously I've been avoiding bookshops like the plague just in case I buy some books. So I'm just going in to buy my dad a book. I'm not going in to buy myself any books. Pray for me. So I'm back from my dad's birthday lunch, which was really lovely, and Zach is having a go at editing the vlog, which is very exciting for me because it's no secret that I do not love editing, especially on a long kind of editing month like this. It can get very boring very quickly. I think it's because I'm so impatient and I always just want the vlog up, and I've already said everything I've said. I already know what happened. There's no surprises for me when I edit. I just find the whole process a little bit mind-numbing. So yeah, he's having a little go editing the vlog, which I'm very happy about, and I am going to do some reading. But before that, I think I might have like a little 20-minute nap. I said this in my book post, kind of like a Q&A all about reading, is that when I know I'm going to start reading then immediately fall asleep, I usually just have like a 20-minute nap just to get that out the way, and then when I wake up and start reading I can read for hours. So that's a little tip from me to you. For the rest of the evening I need to edit my Instagram for the day and that sort of thing, but nothing crazy, which is nice. I think I really need a little bit of a wind down this evening. But yeah, had a really lovely lunch, and I think we might be taking my sisters out tomorrow, so I have to have a little think about what we're going to do with them. But yes, that should be really nice. Oh, you guys, I bought some really beautiful books, at least in my opinion, for my dad, and I really want them. They were just like nice like hikes, like a book about places to hike and America's national parks, I think. Just really beautiful photography and stuff. I hope that he will like those. Yes, gonna have a little lie down for now. This is me and my gorgeous pooch. Is that the most beautifulest girl in the world? She doesn't like cameras. So this is how we do a skull massage. She said, get that camera out my face. No, what she actually said was, please rub my belly, not my head. Here I am, eating this chip and watching Stacked Let's Flats.
Anyway,
It's the model again.
The child, Carol. I was fancying Carol.
I don't know why it's supposed to be so hard. You never come on if you just do it my clinging way.
Too many water.
The panther returns. So, as you can see, I'm all ready for bed. I am in fact probably about to go to sleep imminently. I just finished the long take, and I've got to say, you guys, that I was expecting big things from this book because I saw a lot of reviews which were extremely positive about it, and I'm not massively impressed. I thought it was a good book and a good read. It's about post-war America. It's about American cities. Obviously it's about a D-Day veteran, so it's about PTSD and the kind of connections between the protagonists' mental health and the nature of post-war America, and particularly cities, and particularly LA, and the way it's kind of being rebuilt for a new way of life, and the problems of homelessness and all of that kind of stuff. It's obviously like a long poem, and it's all kind of free verse. There's nothing particularly difficult to read about it, and it's interspersed with some little sections of prose as well. But I just thought it was a little bit on the nose for me. It was just making quite obvious points, and that's no bad thing really. It did it in a very nice way. It's very readable. Some of the language is very beautiful. I thought the beginning was particularly strong, but it wasn't speaking to me at a kind of deeper level. Yeah, I don't know. I just didn't know if I was supposed to apply some of what Robertson was trying to say to kind of contemporary life, because I think if he had kind of made a little bit more of that, maybe it would have had a bit more punch to it. But yeah, it just didn't feel particularly memorable to me. I don't know, I feel like I'm kind of in the minority there on that one. Let me know if you read it and what you thought. I do obviously think it's structurally impressive. There's lots of beautiful imagery in there, but yeah, I just didn't think it was like as groundbreaking as lots of people made it out to be. A tricky one. But anyway, I have been reading A Suitable Boy for ages. I've not actually been able to get round to reading it the past couple of weeks because my theory was I'd kind of switched up my reading routine a little bit, and I was reading like 2 normal books a week and then half of a big book. And I managed to read about half of this in a week. It's a huge book. But then obviously my reading got off course, so I haven't gone back to it. I hope I'm going to remember everyone in it because it's got quite a large cast of characters. It's about a family in India. It's set kind of over, it's actually not that long of a time thus far that I've read. I think it's probably about 6 months to a year, but it's very detailed. It's about 1400 pages long, my copy. Actually, it's almost 1500. And yeah, it's just following them through their trials and tribulations, and also India, obviously, and its politics and stuff. So I'm really enjoying it so far, but I need to get back into it, I think, because I've kind of come out of it a bit. But I think for the rest of the week, I'll probably read that, try and get as far as possible. I'm not kidding myself into thinking I might actually finish it, but I reckon it's time. I think it's probably time for me to just push through and get to the end of it, because I've come off course anyway, and then once I finish that, I'll start again, trying to kind of keep on track with things. So yes, so that's what I'm going to do before I forget everything that's happened in the book so far. But anyway, I think it's time for me to sleep soon, you guys. Thank you so much for watching today. I don't know quite how much chatting I've done today. Tomorrow, taking my little sisters for the morning, maybe early afternoon as well. Do some little bits and bobs with them. And then I've also got some filming I'd quite like to do, but I don't know if I'll get that done as well. Got a spin in the morning, that's why I really need to go to sleep, because I'm definitely not going to get my 8 hours today. So if I'm grumpy tomorrow, then that is why. But yeah, also, hope you enjoyed Zach's editing of the vlog yesterday. I thought he did a really great job, and I was very, very pleased. So it's nice that I can kind of at least share the editing. Probably will be doing some, especially when we need it done super quickly, because I feel like I've obviously been using Final Cut Pro for many years and I'm relatively quick at it, so such a nice feeling to know that I don't have to do every single video. Yeah, it just gets tiring looking at my face. Don't know why you guys like it. But anyway, I'm gonna go to bed. Thank you guys so much for watching today. I will see you tomorrow for more fun. Yeah, that's everything.